How to edit notification panel on Redmi 13. So first of all, open notification panel. Now here click on this edit button, and now if you want to add more shortcut to the notification panel, then click on the add icon with the shortcuts. And if you want to remove some shortcuts from the notification panel, then click on the remove icon with the shortcuts. So just simply tap on this remove icon, and then the shortcut will be removed. Now after customizing, click on this button to save changes. So that's how you can edit the notification panel on Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.